Grade 4, how are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers, but no problem class. We people are connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. Today I'm going to conduct your English grammar class and the topic of interest will be tenses. Fine. Now let's come to the date. Today the date is 11th January 2021. Meanwhile we have entered into 2021. 2020 has been over now and the day is Monday. Okay class, I gave a brief explanation to you regarding tenses. Today we'll go for the review of that. What are tenses? They tell us the time. Meanwhile, anything that has happened in present time, past time or future times. Present shows anything that has happened now, जो अभी काम हुआ है. Past shows anything that has happened in the past time, जो कि past गुजर चुका है, ठीक है. Future tense will tell us anything that is going to happen in future time, जो कि मुस्तकबिल में होने वाला है. Okay, there are 4 types of tenses, ठीक है. Indefinite or simple, continuous tense, perfect tense and perfect continuous tense. So they are all merged together. Present indefinite or present simple, past indefinite or past simple, or future indefinite or future simple. Then present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, ठीक है, or future perfect continuous. Fourth one is future indefinite, ठीक है, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Okay, last time I gave an explanation regarding present indefinite tense. So today I'll tell you some of the chunks regarding past indefinite tense. So when you are going to use past indefinite tense, you should know when we have to use that, when you are going to make any sentence regarding past indefinite tense. So let's just start about the uses. Now past indefinite tense is used to tell about the specific time and past, ठीक है ना. यानी कोई भी काम, कोई भी एक्शन जो कि पास्ट टाइम है, स्पेसिफिक टाइम उसके अंदर मेंशन हो, एट दैट टाइम वी हैव टू यूज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, ठीक है ना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी हियर जेम्स स्टडीड हार्ड एंड पास द टेस्ट लास्ट ईयर. आपको इसमें क्या पता चल रहा है? लास्ट ईयर. स्पेसिफिक टाइम इज बीइंग मेंशन. सो पास्ट में कोई काम हुआ है लेकिन उसमें स्पेसिफिक टाइम भी मेंशन है. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू यूज पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. For example, you can see here these words can be used in the sentences if you want to recognize whether the tenses of past indefinite tense. Last year, yesterday, last month, 2 days back, ठीक है. ये सब चीज़ें हमें past को बता रही हैं, ठीक है. So for that, like these are the points that show that this is the past indefinite tense and the second form of verb is always there. Okay, now second use is that to talk about finished actions or habit in past. यानी कोई भी काम जो पूरा मुकम्मल तौर पे फिनिश हो चुका हो पास्ट में. और when you want to discuss about any past habit, यानी किसी की कोई पुरानी आदत हो, for that you will use past indefinite tense, जो कि अब नहीं है. यानी कोई भी हैबिट जो पास्ट में थी but now that is over. Let's have a quick look on the examples. I told you this example before also. James studied hard and passed the test last year. ठीक है ना. लास्ट ईयर शोज द स्पेसिफिक टाइम. सेकेंड वन इज ही मेट हिज टीचर इन 1989. ठीक है, आपको पता क्या चल रहा है? एक्शन कब हुआ? 1989 में. यानी वो अपने टीचर से कब मिला? 1989 में. ठीक है, दिस शोज द स्पेसिफिक टाइम. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज बीइंग यूज्ड हियर. सैम यूज्ड टू प्ले क्रिकेट व्हेन ही वाज अ चाइल्ड. ठीक है ना, जब वो बच्चा था. यूज्ड टू शोज द पास्ट हैबिट. यूज नहीं है, यूज्ड है. सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इज यूज्ड, ठीक है ना. यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट यानी क्रिकेट खेला करता था सैम जब वो बच्चा था. तो नाउ ही इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू प्ले क्रिकेट, ही यूज टू प्ले क्रिकेट इन द पास्ट टाइम. तो लाइक इट मीन्स इट शोज द पास्ट हैबिट. You know, let's come to the formula of positive sentence, ठीक है ना. Like 3 statements are there: positive, negative and interrogative. Positive sentence shows like when there is no negativity there, यानी कोई भी काम में negativity नहीं आ रही है, ठीक है ना. सीधा सीधा जुमला है. Negative sentence shows when not is going to be used, and interrogative sentence is that when question is there at the end. And always remember, in positive or affirmative sentences at the end full stop is there. So this is the formula to the affirmative or positive sentence of past indefinite tense. We use subject, then verb, second form. इसके अलावा कोई भी फॉर्म नहीं आती है. No helping verb is there in affirmative form. And then object. What is the subject? Who does the work? Verb shows an action and object shows on which the work has been done. For example, there is a list of subjects over here. With all the subjects we will use just second form of verb. For example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, the cat. कोई सा भी subject है, whether that is singular, plural, we will just use second form of verb. No other form of verb will be used and neither any helping verb will be used there. And then object. For example, I played cricket, you played cricket, we wrote a letter, ठीक है ना. दे रेड अ बुक. READ रीड नहीं है ये. सेकेंड फॉर्म एंड थर्ड फॉर्म आर दे आर प्रोनाउंस एज रेड, ठीक है ना. she saw the some, the cat drank some milk. Drink is the first form. अगर ये present definite होता, so we will say the cat drinks some milk. लेकिन ये past है, so we will use second form of verb. Now let's come to the negative sentences. Negative sentences of past indefinite tense. What are negative sentences? In which not is there. ठीक है ना? Like नहीं जिसके अंदर आ रहा होता है जुमलों में. What is the formula to this? Subject plus helping verb and then not is there helping verb के साथ. Which helping verb is going to be used? Just did. ठीक है ना? Because did is the second form of do. तो इसके अंदर second form आ जाएगी इसकी और verb फिर first form आ जाएगा. ठीक है ना? Because did and played दो दफ़ा second form we cannot use. Did not, then verb with first form and then object. ठीक है ना? With all the subjects, whether that is singular plural, you will use just did not in negative sentences. For example, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, Sarah, Ali, the cat. जो भी subject है उसके साथ आपको just did not लगाना है. ठीक है? And then verb with first form, like you can see say like this: I did not play cricket. You did not eat biryani. We or they did not drink milk. She or he did not go to school. Okay, I guess class this much revision has been like it is enough for you guys. Inshallah in the next coming class we'll go for the review of interrogative sentences of past indefinite tense. Fine. Till then you people take a very good care of your health and do good preparations for the exams. Allah Hafiz from my side class.